Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with Okta for responsive dashboard access, beginner guide step by step clearly. To authenticate with Okta for responsive dashboard access, start by opening your preferred web browser. Navigate to your organization's Okta login page. Enter your username in the designated field. Click on the Next button to proceed. Input your password in the password field. If you have multi-factor authentication enabled, you'll be prompted to verify your identity. Follow the instructions for your chosen method, whether it's a text message, email, or authentication app. Once you've successfully authenticated, you will be redirected to your Okta dashboard. From the dashboard, locate the specific application or dashboard you wish to access. Click on the icon or link for that application. It may take a moment to load, depending on your internet connection. Once loaded, you'll have full access to the responsive dashboard. Explore the features available within the dashboard to familiarize yourself with the layout. If you encounter any issues, refer to your organization's IT support for assistance. To log out, click on your profile icon in the top right corner. Select the logout option to securely exit your session. By following these steps, you can easily authenticate with Okta and access your responsive dashboard. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.